Why do we wear helmets?
We wear helmets because our head is like one of the most important thing. Okay, like
Absolutely.
like
Rahul,
the
what
head
are the other
contains our
things you
brain.
need?
Is there anything else that is more important than the head? Some other head?
Other head is there, but if this head is hurt, you'll not survive.
Still, there are so many politicians in our country
Okay.
without head.
No, what's inside our head?
A brain.
That is the only organ in the body which cannot be changed.
Probably because we don't want our head to become like cucumber or something.
More like tomato ketchup. And
I don't want my head to become a chutney, right? Yeah, put chutney.
When you fall, you have like a covering around your skull, so there's a cushion effect when you fall.
It is safety.
It is very safety.
It's very, very safe.
Very safety.
We need to protect ourselves from.
Apparently. But does it really protect?
I think it's more of burden on you.
Why are people so allergic towards helmets? When you say helmets, they're like, no
That's
helmet.
not stupid fashion, okay? It's not like they're allergic to it. They're like, the guys just want to be like, oh, I look studly and my hair cut and all that shit.
Yeah.
You just comb your hair and you go out. It's all a waste.
They ride fast and they don't want to go unnoticed. You can see the persons beside you.
Don't we have mirrors for that?
I don't know, some people say they tend to go bald because of helmets.
So do you wear helmet always?
Yes, I do.
Do you have hair fall?
Yes, you can't see this.
Could be true. Do you wear helmet?
I prefer not to.
Why don't you wear helmet?
It just looks funny on
It
me.
looks funny.
Yeah.
Some super bikers don't wear helmet. Why?
They're too cool for it.
So there's a new rule that even the pillion should be wearing a helmet. What do you feel about this rule?
I think that's pretty stupid because I don't really see the point.
Like, we are humans, we have common sense.
Yeah.
If something happens, pillion rider will be free. Just he can jump or he can save himself.
Yeah. But don't you think that if the pillion also wears the helmet, even he'll be saved?
No, it is not a very big issue.
Okay.
You see, they should think so many things,
Yeah.
not only the safety. Today, my daughter, I took her to her college. There was college day. She has dressed her with so many things. So wearing a helmet is a very big problem. Now I left her in the college and came back with two helmets. Where to keep that?
Where to keep?
When the rider is a safe guy.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter if a
You
rider is a
agree
safe
to
guy
it.
or not. One falls, one
I'm
gets
not.
hurt. But a helmet can save your life. It's necessary. I'm
What
drunk
if
as
the other
fuck.
parts break?
So it's necessary.
Do you think the helmet manufacturers are behind this rule?
एक बहुत बड़ी साजिश रची जा रही है.
This helmet mafia is there. Just think over, there are 20 lakhs two-wheelers in Bangalore. 1,000 rupees if you calculate, it comes around 200 crores. Just 10% commission if these bloody ministers they get, that is enough for them.
Not really. Even if they are, it's for our good. I mean, as far as your head is safe, right?
The question is, how will we carry the second helmet?
That's the only problem I could see to this rule.
Fan kind of helmet and we can keep it, I guess.
But then, is it allowed?
Who cares?
No.
Well, see, you can see there, he's wearing right now.
Idhar ಮೇಲೆ ISI mark ಇಲ್ಲ.
Either mark illa.
Do you know what kind of helmets you're supposed to buy?
I have no idea on this.
It's called ISI mark.
Yeah, ISI mark.
Do you know what's ISI? What is ISI?
Indian standard, whatever.
Indian Statistical Institute.
Sadly, it's wrong.
Are you
Sadly, ISI is not the Pakistan intelligence, right? Pakistan's ISI helmet will blow your mind. You're the pillion, and the police catches you. So, is it you paying the fine or is it him?
Me. Gender equality. My fault. Hey, hello. It's my fault. I pay for it.
She will.
Yeah,
She will
because
have to
I'm
bring
not
the
right.
helmet.
I'm not wearing the helmet.
He's the one who's gonna pay the fine.
Why?
Palika Bakra मैं हूँ यार.
I'm not wearing a helmet. Will you pay the fine, bro?
Nope.
You have to pay. It's your bike. I'm not paying.
No.
Police. चलती गया. मेरे पास दो है. Helmets.
Helmet is for safety, yeah, that's true. It's not just for the rider, but for the pillion too. Gubi is in for this new rule, so come, let's just put knee for that dude. It's not just one, and it's two. Put chutney. Wait. Before you go, do like this video if you wear helmets. If you have any creative ideas on how to carry the second helmet, then comment down below. Also, share this video with your pillion riders and tell them to carry the extra helmet. And follow me on Twitter at ShinoyBP. See you next week with a new episode. What's your opinion about the traffic situation in Bangalore? Worst. ಹಂಗಿಲ್ರೇನು
Worst, full worst. Really bad. Really.
Get ready to pin on the national flag, saffron side up. Not just another dry day, Republic Day, the President awakens.